Hello, I'm Nahida and welcome to Innoven Recipes. Today we are making chicken half moon bites, a crispy, creamy and delicious snack that's perfect for any occasion. First, preparing the chicken filling. In a pan, add 1 tablespoon butter and let it melt. Add 2 tablespoons chopped onion and 1 finely chopped green chilli. Stir in half teaspoon ginger garlic paste and saute for 30 seconds. Add half cup chicken and season with half teaspoon salt, half teaspoon chili flakes, half teaspoon pepper powder and some oregano. For an extra cheesy version, add grated mozzarella to the filling. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes and then add 3 tablespoons carrot. Carrots add vitamin A, which is good for eyesight. Add 2 tablespoons flour. Roast for 1 minute. This snack is inspired by popular street food snacks from different countries. It's a great way to use leftover chicken in a creative way. Pour in half cup milk, mix well and cook until thickened. Once the filling is ready, cool it down. Take bread slices and slightly wet the edges with water. Using whole wheat bread can increase fiber content for better digestion. Pour chicken filling. Fold each slices into a triangle shape and press the edges gently. Use a cutter or small bowl to cut them into a half moon shape. The half moon shape makes them easy to hold and dip. Now prepare a flour slurry by mixing 3 tablespoons flour and 1/3 cup water. Dip each half moon into the slurry. Coat with breadcrumbs for extra crispiness. Heat oil in a pan and fry on medium heat until golden brown. Don't overfill the bread or it might break while frying. If you want a healthier version, bake instead of frying. Chicken is rich in protein, helping to build muscle. These chicken half moon bites are crispy, creamy and absolutely delicious. Try them at home and let us know how they turned out. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Innoven Recipes for more fun and easy snacks. See you in the next video.